The percent of page not accelerated is one of the most interesting metrics in the overview page. This tells you what percentage of content was not able to be served from the Edgemesh cache. So for example, if we saw a percent of page not accelerated of 5%, that would mean that 95% of the content was able to be served from the browser cache. As more content is able to be served from cache, the page will load faster. So this metric has breakpoints where fast is anything less than 40%, meaning that 60% or more of the page was served from cache. If you see this number materially higher than 80%, often this is a sign that the Edgemesh client is not able to cache your content on the client-side device, and we suggest reaching out to support.